Assalamualaikum. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, friends. We are from Group 2 will present a topic about electric vehicles, the impact of environmental pollution and cost savings between conventional and electric cars. The members of Group 2 are Muhammad Faik Al-Murtada, Muhammad Faisal, Sandi Setiawan, Faris Ari, and myself, Jonas Gavin Denisius Nugroho. My name is Jonas Gavin, and I will explain about the abstract of this presentation about electric vehicle. Global climate warming, or what we know as global warming, is an event in which the mean temperature of the atmosphere and the Earth's surface increases as a result of rising greenhouse gases due to human activities. Not only greenhouse gases, pollution can also cause global warming, and without significant transportation inputs, the reduction in greenhouse gas emission required by global warming to less than 20 degrees Celsius will not occur, so that in reducing greenhouse gas pollution in transportation, electric vehicles are anticipated to be the right option or right choice. Why electric vehicles are anticipated to be the right choice? Because electric vehicles have many advantages and benefits, such as reducing air pollution, reducing the greenhouse effect, reducing the noise pollution, and now electric vehicles have developed rapidly in the world, and we can see that many companies have sold and produced electric vehicles, like a biggest company like Tesla, Toyota, Honda, and BMW, and many more. And the next slide will be explained by my friend Faris.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Faris Ayupusetio, and I will explain about introduction. First of all, global warming has led to considerable climate change. At this time, the air on Earth is getting dirtier because it is polluted by pollution caused by factory exhaust fumes. And the biggest cause of air pollution today is from exhaust gas from vehicles. And the second thing is global warming is an increase in the average temperature across the Earth's surface. To be precise, in the atmosphere, land, and oceans. Environmentalists have found indication of the greatest impact on the environment in the world globally due to pollution from motor vehicle fumes, which have grown rapidly. This negative impact is the occurrence of warming in the world, which is often referred to as global warming. Motorized vehicles are now a very common thing we see roaming along the highways, starting from two-wheeled to four-wheeled vehicles, from public transportation to private vehicles. Of course, this motorized vehicle emits smoke that contains carbon oxide, which is the result of incomplete combustion, so that it can interfere with the respiratory process for humans. And carbon dioxide is classified as a greenhouse gas. So an increase in carbon dioxide levels in the air can result in an increase in the Earth's surface temperature.
Hello, my name is Elsani Setiawan. I will continue the explanation from my teammate. Now we go to the analysis section. There are at least 5 parts that we can analyze from an electric car. For the first, the efficient section. In this section, we can discuss about fuel efficiency. Electric car use electric energy and conventional car use petrol. And then the comfortable section. Electric car is more comfortable than conventional cars because electric cars don't make any noise. And then the economic section. Usually, electric cars have a higher price than conventional cars. And then the environmental friendly section. One of the advantage of electric cars is over conventional cars is environmentally friendly. This section will be explained in the next slide. And for the last fast charge section. One of the future of an electric car is a fast charge. If we using a fast charger, we only need 1 hour to charge from 0% until 100%. This is faster than a normal charger, which takes 3 hours to charge from 0% until 100%. But in this occasion, we will discuss about economic section and environmental impact. For the first is economic factor. In this section, we will discuss about the price of the vehicle and the cost of fuel. For price of the vehicle, conventional vehicle have price ranging start from 137 million and electric vehicle have price ranging start from 360 million. Conventional vehicle cheaper than electric vehicle. And for fuel cost, conventional vehicle spend 85,000 rupiah per 100 kilometer and electric vehicle spend 32,000 per 100 kilometer. Electric vehicle cheaper than conventional vehicle for fuel cost. If conventional vehicle fuel is fully charged, it can cover the distance from 480 until 640 kilometer. And if electric vehicle battery is fully charged, it can cover the distance 160 until 500 kilometer. Here we show a cost comparison picture between electric vehicle and conventional vehicle. Overall, electric vehicle is cheaper than conventional vehicle. And for the next will be explained by my teammate Muhammad Faisal about environmental impact.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Faisal. Here I will discuss about environmental impact analysis. Environmental impact here means the impact between the use of conventional vehicles that use gasoline and vehicles that use electricity. Here is a table that explains the amount of greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution that results from using fuel in each type of vehicle. The numbers contained here are the results of calculation using the formula in the previous slide, namely slide 5. And after that, normalization is carried out so that it is obtained as follows. We can see here at the stage of using fuel, conventional vehicle produce 19.9 kg per 100 km of greenhouse gas emissions and produce 0.0564 kg per 100 km of air pollution emissions, while electric vehicles produce 10.1 kg per 100 km of greenhouse gas emissions and produce 0.0385 kg per 100 km of air pollution emissions. And also, if the total is calculated, conventional vehicles produce 21.4 kg per 100 km of greenhouse gas emissions and 0.06 kg per 100 km of air pollution emissions, while electric vehicles only produce 12 kg per 100 km of greenhouse gas emissions and 0.0448 kg per 100 km of air pollution emissions. When viewed from these results, It shows that electric vehicles are indeed more environmentally friendly than conventional vehicles. Then the following is also an infographic that explains the environmental impact of using conventional cars or petrol cars and electric cars. It can be seen that gasoline or diesel-fueled cars produce exhaust emissions above 200 grams carbon dioxide per kilometer, while electric cars only produce gas emissions below 100 grams carbon dioxide per kilometer. This electric car has 18% less carbon dioxide emissions than a diesel car and 81% less carbon dioxide than a petrol car. Then the next slide will be explained by my friend Faik about the conclusion.
My name is Muhammad Faik, and I will explain about the conclusion in this presentation. First, I will explain about the benefit of electrical vehicle. Electrical vehicle is go green, so more environmental friendly, then no pollute or reducing air pollution, reducing noise pollution, and cheap day-to-day handling costs. This electrical vehicle is contribute to greenhouse gas emission. It uses a renewable energy to charge the vehicle battery, and then it reduces air pollution with the GHG value between conventional car and electrical car is for conventional car is 19.9 and electrical car is 10.1, and the AP values for conventional cars is 0.0564 and electrical car is 0.0385. So in short, the value of GHG and AP for electrical car is more lower than the conventional car. And then cheap handling cost. In conventional cars, it uses 1 liter per 10 kilometer with the price is about 8,500 per liter. Meanwhile, electrical car use 2 kilowatt hour per 10 kilometer with the price about 1,600 per kilowatt hour. So if we travel or we use the car about 100 kilometer, in conventional car we spend about 85,000 rupiah, but in electrical car we spend about 32,000 rupiah. So in short, electrical car is more cheaper than the conventional car. And then next slide I will talk about the disadvantage of electrical car. There is 2 points about disadvantage of electrical car. First, rare charging station. Why I would say rare charging station? Because the charging station for electrical car is fewer than the gas station, and in Indonesia maybe there is no one charging station for electrical car. And the second one is high cost for a new electrical. In Australia in 2019, the price for a new electrical vehicle range is from 450 million to 2.5 billion rupiah.
Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.